30.
30.
Ready, fade up ID slate.
25.
Fade up ID slate.
20.
Ready, fade out ID slate.
15.
Fade out ID slate.
10.
Fade up audio and video from VTR.
8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Fade up audio and video from VTR.
3. Next shot 2. Ready, dissolve 3. Ready, crossfade mic.
Dissolve 3 Q. Take 3.
Hi friends, good evening. You can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the status of its women. So what do you think about the condition of India? What do you think about the status of women in India? Tonight, we are discussing about the various atrocities and discriminations faced by Indian women right from the womb to the tomb. None of us like to kill our little angels, our little daughters. But many of us are ready to kill them even before they see the beautiful world. Yes, female feticide or sex selection has become a major issue in India today. According to the last census, the sex ratio has drastically fallen to 913 girls to 1000 boys. Come, let's take a look at this grave issue.
Roll VTR. Take VTR.
हेलो, मैं आ रहा हूं। मैम, ये बेबी एक लड़का?
नहीं, लड़की हुई है। माँ और बेटी दोनों ठीक हैं। आप उनसे मिल सकते हैं।
मुबारक हो दोस्त, मुबारक हो। वाह भाई वाह, अब की बार भी लड़का। दो लड़कों के पिता हो, पार्टी तो बनती है।
अरे क्यों नहीं, आज रात कोई पार्टी लो।
आप आ गए? बेटी को देखना, मैं आ रही हूँ।
3, next shot 6, ready, cross speed, Mike.
Ready, crossfade, Mike.
30 seconds more.
Crossfade, Mike. Cue, take 3.
Yes, the availability and access to the technology are being misused. How can one human being dare to kill an infant born out of his or her own blood? Do he deserve to be called as a human being? We have enough number of rules and regulations to deal with, but the government fails at the implementation phase. Dear viewers, please never turn a deaf ear to the cries of
BTR,
those
next
little
shot for ready,
angels
crossfade
who are
audio.
yet to be born. Once she is grown up, she faces hell lot of problems. If teasing, sexual harassments at the workplace, dowry system,
VTR?
domestic violence, etc. are only some of them. Come, let's take a look at some of those issues.
Roll VTR, take VTR.
We all are proud to be Indians. However, our heads bend down when we come to know the fact that we are living in a country where about 35,000 women are raped every year.
Human trafficking is sad, but bare truth. Are they free from harassment in and out of their homes? Now, let's watch his story.
अबे वो देख लड़की
अबे बोतल वोतल छोड़. अरे मैडम बैठ जाओ.
हेलो मैडम. अरे मैडम रुक भी जाइए.
चलो मैडम जाओ. अरे मैडम बैठ जाओ. मैडम
छोड़ उसे.
मगर क्यों?
बहन है मेरी वो.
How to deal with this situation? Yes, changing the mind. This is the only solution for this. When individuals are good, there will be peace in the family. When there is peace in the family, there will be peace in the country. When there is peace in the country, there will be peace in the world.
मेरा नाम जयश्री है और मैं यहाँ दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ रही हूँ। मुझे अपने परिवार वालों से इतना सपोर्ट मिला कि मैं आज यहाँ हूँ और यहाँ दिल्ली में पीएचडी कर रही हूँ। और मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर एक लड़की को या हर एक महिला को ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले कि वो अपने परिवार वालों का सपोर्ट मिले कि वो यहाँ आए और इस तरीके से अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर सके। काफ़ी चीज़ें बदली हैं दिल्ली में, अगर वुमेन सेफ्टी की बात की जाए तो काफ़ी चीज़ें बदली है, लोगों का नज़रिया बदला है। लेकिन फिर भी ये महसूस करती हूँ मैं कई दफ़े कि अभी भी कुछ लोगों की सोच ऐसी ही है और वो महिलाओं को उसी नज़रिए से देखते हैं और बहुत कुछ बदलाव की ज़रूरत है हमारे नज़रिए में। और सरकार की भी बहुत सारी ऐसी योजनाएं आनी चाहिए जो कि हमारी सुरक्षा के लिए वो हमें इंश्योर कर सके।
My name is Komal. आई एम वर्किंग इन NABM. बीइंग ए वुमन को बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टी फेस करनी पड़ती है, घर में भी और बाहर भी. बाहर जब जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टी फेस करनी पड़ती है एक औरत को. जब जाते हैं तो छेड़खानी सभी करते हैं, जाते हुए टीज़ करते हैं, कमेंट पास करते हैं और बहुत सारी डिफ़िकल्टी हैं जो बता भी नहीं सकते. लड़कियों के साथ पुराने ज़माने से भेदभाव होता है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. लड़का और लड़की में फ़र्क नहीं करना चाहिए. लड़के को भी सेम फैसिलिटी जितना आप लड़के को देते हो उतना ही पढ़ाएं, उतनी एजुकेशन दे, उतना ही प्यार दे, ताकि लड़की आगे जाके किसी पे निर्भर ना हो और अपना भी और अपने परिवार का पालन पोषण अपने ही दम पे कर सके. उतनी उसके अंदर क्षमता होनी चाहिए.
I am Arun. I am working in a private concern as project manager. Regarding women empowerment and women safety, we have some 200 women working in our concern. They are coming from far areas. We are providing good salary to them. They are having good skills. The thing is, women were subjugated by men from the ancient times. This thing has to be changed. Government has taken many steps to curb this threat, and we need a good awareness among men to respect women.
आई एम प्रतिष्ठा. मैं दिल्ली में स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं कोचिंग ले रही हूँ यहाँ पे. मैं पंजाब से बिलोंग करती हूँ, बठिंडा से, और मैं जिस सोसाइटी से बिलोंग करती हूँ वहाँ ऐसी कोई भी मुझे परेशानी फील नहीं हुई है कि जो विमेन सेफ्टी के कंसर्न में हो. एंड आई बिलोंग टू अ एजुकेटेड फैमिली एंड मेरा बैकग्राउंड भी, मैं कोएड स्कूल से ही पढ़ी हूँ और मेरा कॉलेज भी कोएड था. तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा हैरासमेंट या कुछ भी ऐसा विमेन सेफ्टी कंसर्न में जिसके लिए मुझे सोचना पड़े. बट अदरवाइज सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स have faced these things. और अगर ऐसा होता है तो आई थिंक these things should be changed और women को proper security and prevention provide की जानी चाहिए.
Home is the first and best place to learn how to respect women. This is Harika Saneseti with cameraman Arvind Singh.
Crossfade mic, cue, take 3.
Yes, home is the first and best place to start to learn how to respect women. Every day, sun rises in the east, but with a guaranteed sunset. Yes, it is a guaranteed surrender from which no one can run away. The case is the same with all of us. Old age is waiting for all of us. How do we treat our parents at their old age? Are we giving them the love and respect they deserve at the evening of their life? In most of the cases, it is the mothers who suffer the most. They are thrown out of the families and are forced to beg in the streets in front of others. How? How can we forget the lullabies they sang for us?
Ready, Vidya?
How can we forget the wombs we lived for 10 years? How can we forget the hands that fed us for many, many years? How can we forget the tears rolled out of their eyes and their beautiful smiles? Be a responsible son or daughter. The case is worse in case of widows. Even though they are not expected to perform ritual sati nowadays, they are expected to grieve until their last breath. That is the case today. Widowhood is a kind of social death even among higher castes, says Dr. Mohini Giri, a veteran activist in the fight for women's freedom. She was also nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 2005. Here is a place in Mathura in Uttar Pradesh. Yes, Vrindavan, a sacred place where more than 15,000 widows are thrown away by their own sons and daughters to beg in the streets and to live a life for no one. Let's watch the story of Vrindavan.
Roll Vidya, take Vidya.
Good, well done. Good.
On a tributary of the Ganges River, pilgrims gather to venerate a god. In Hindu teachings, Krishna offers solace to downtrodden women. This town has more than a chair. Thousands of women, young and old, have come to the childhood home of Krishna for one purpose: to live out their days in worship in the hope that death will come soon.
She is relegated she becomes a zero, and all her powers are lost.
In many conservative Indian Hindu families, widows are shunned because they're seen as bringing bad luck. Superstitious relatives even blame them for their husband's death. The widow can become a liability with no social standing, an unwanted mouth to feed. Often, they're cast out of the family home. In the dark and damp back streets, India's forgotten widows chant for their supper. They do this for hours each day, for a few meagre rupees from the charity organisation that runs this place. These women were once revered as daughters, wives and mothers. Many haven't seen their children in years. Some will die in Vrindavan without seeing them again. But it's difficult being old and immobile. On this day, 97-year-old Lalita Goswami is practically starving and comes for help and nourishment.
ছেলে মেয়েদের কথা ছেড়ে দাও, ওদের ज्यादा भगवान है, पहला भगवान का ওদের কথা মনে করে তোমার দুঃখ হয় বেশি। ওদের কথা মনে করো না, আমি তোমার মেয়ে। আমি सोच रहा था माताजी, लड़का के पीछे क्या खो दिया?
Mrs. Goswami is a high caste Brahmin from Calcutta. But when her husband ran off with another woman 50 years ago, her two sons dumped her in Vrindavan and never returned. She told me she kept trying to jump in the river to drown, but onlookers kept saving her.
A woman who is ruling the household, even in a rich family, suddenly finds herself bereft of all powers. And she is an inauspicious person, and nobody should even touch her.
Dr. Mohini Giri is a leading light of India's women's movement and a widow herself.
So all of them come here in search of death, waiting for death. They are waiting on the roads, they are waiting on street corners, and ultimately it's so sad that when they die, there's no one even to pick up their bodies because a widow's body is inauspicious.
Crossfade mic, cue, take 3.
See how badly we are treating our own mothers at their old age. They were our past and they are our future. Yesterday was your childhood. Today is your youth. But remember, tomorrow is yet to come. Whether young or old, widowed women are expected to take off all their beautiful clothes, all their jewelries, and to get rid of all the enjoyments in their life. They even shave their heads if they are from more conservative Hindu traditions.
Ready, VTR?
Now we have discussed about various atrocities and discriminations faced by Indian women right from her first breath to the last breath she takes. Remember, no country can become successful until and unless it gives equal rights to all its citizens irrespective of gender. As Mahatma Gandhi has once said, be the change you want to see and hail the deprived. This is Munir K signing off. Jai Hind.
Roll VTR, take VTR.
फिर आजा रे
Just wait.
नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आजा रे अंधियारा है घना.
Fade out audio and video.
Very good, very good. Thank you.